Metabolism does not collapse overnight. It does not shut down loudly. And it does not become lazy. It simply slows itself down when the load exceeds its capacity to endure. Metabolism is not a lab number, not calories burned, not a simple equation. It is a biological decision made by cells when survival becomes more important than performance. At first, burning works. Then it slows. Then it conserves. Then it cuts spending. Then it enters survival mode. And the body, it does not betray you. It simply protects itself from collapse. When obesity accumulates, weight is not the only thing that rises. Insulin resistance increases. Silent cortisol remains elevated. Mitochondria fatigue. Low-grade inflammation persists. Satiety and energy signals conflict. Metabolism is recalibrated to the minimum. Burning does not disappear. It becomes too slow to rescue you. Metabolism is recalibrated to the minimum. Burning does not disappear. It becomes too slow to rescue you. Under visceral fat pressure, under chronic inflammation, under conflicting signals that demand burning, then punish it. Mitochondria do not fail suddenly. They reduce output, shield themselves from toxicity, slow reactions, to prevent damage. The body stays alive, but at low performance. Some bodies enter this state earlier, not due to behavior alone, but because metabolic tolerance is genetically lower. FTO-MC4R, PARD PARK1A, UCP1, ADRB2, IL-6 TNF. They do not cause obesity alone, but they make slow burn appear sooner when load persists. This is where conventional metrics mislead. Calories may be controlled. Thyroid looks normal. Labs fall within range. Yet the trajectory has shifted. Metabolism is no longer flexible, no longer responsive, no longer burns on demand. This is not lack of will. It is progressive metabolic collapse. This is where Roots AI matters. Not to count calories, not to blame behavior, but to read how metabolism collapsed before it stopped. Roots AI does not ask, how much do you eat? It reads, how did burn response change with weight? When did metabolic flexibility vanish? How did inflammation align with slowdown? When did survival override expenditure? When slowdown repeats, and baseline is never restored, AI sees what the scale cannot. Not judgment, but a chance for rescue. Persistent fatigue, stubborn weight, a body that holds everything, not laziness, not personal failure.
Because slow burn does not mean the body refuses to burn. It means the body is exhausted by the load. Metabolism does not collapse because it is weak, but because it was loaded beyond what it was designed to carry. Dr. Holly, they are messages from your cells. Will you reduce the load now, or keep demanding burning while the body is asking to survive?